Hello students, welcome back. Now we'll take our exercise 7.2 to find out these cubes by prime factorization method. So coming to the question number 1, we'll take up the some parts of it. Suppose if we go for the first part of it, so this is 64. Now first of all we'll find out the prime factors for this. So this is 2, 32, then 2 times 16, then 2 times 8, 2 times 4, then 2 times 2 and 2 times 1. So these factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So making this pairs. These are the pairs. अब दोनों pairs में से क्या करेंगे, एक एक को ले लेंगे. So this is 2 into 2. So this is 4. So cube root is 4. So अभी हम similarly we will proceed for the other parts of it. Suppose now we will take up a bigger part. Suppose we will go to the third one. So it is a bigger number. Second one is the easier one. 6, 4, 8. So again we will find out the factors for this. 2 से के 5 times, then 3, then 2, then 4, then again 2. So this is 2 times, then 2 6 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 2 ja. Again 2 times, 1 3 3 1. So again it will go by 11. So 11 1 ja, 11, then 11 2 ja, 22, then 11 1 ja, then 11. So it will be 11, then again 11. This is 1. So prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 11. So this is one of the pair. This is another pair. So taking one number from each pair. So 22. So we can write the cube root is 22. Similarly, suppose we will take up one more part. 1, 3, 8, 2, 4. Again we will find out the prime factors. Is the simplest one to find out the prime factors. और 3 3 का पेयर बनाओ, एक एक नंबर लेकर के मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. So 2 times 2 से डिवाइड हुआ, 2 6 जा 13, 2 9 जा 18, 1 then 2, then 2 times this is 3, then 4 ja 10, then 2 6 ja, then again 2 times this is 1 and 7, then this is 2, then 8, then 2 times 8 6, then 4, then 2 times this is 4 3 and 2, then 2 times this is 2, then 1 and 6, then again 2 times this is 1 0 8, then again 2 times this is 54, then again 2 times this is 27, then 3 times 9, then 3 times this is 3, so again 3 times this is 1. So factors are now 2 into 2 into 2. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And 3 times. Now we will make the pairs. This is one pair, this is another pair, and this. So we will take up one number from each. So 24 is the cube root. So this is the simplest one. We will find out the factors and we will take 3 pairs from this. Now we will take one more part of this. This is question number 9. So this is 1 7 5 6 1 6. So again we will find out the factors of this. So this is 2 8 is 16, then 2 7 is 14, then 2 8 is 16, then 0, then 8, then 2 times this is 4, then 3 times 6, then 9, then 0, then 4, then again 2 times this is 2, then this is 1 and 9, then 5, then 2, then 2 times this is 1, then this is 0, 9, then 7, then 6, then 2 times this is 5, then 4, then it will be 8 and 8. Again 2 times, this will be 2, then 7, then 4, then 4. 2 times, this is 1, then 3 and 7, then 2. Again 2 times, this will be 6 and 8, then 6. Then 2 times, this will be 3, 4, 3. Then 3 times, no, it will go by 7 only. Then 7 times, this is 7, then 7 times, this is 1. So prime factors we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 2, 2 into 2 into 2, and 3 times 7. So we'll make the pairs. This is one pair, another pair, this and this is this. This is 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So cube root is, so we got cube root, this is 56. So now coming to the question number 2. State true or the false. So first one is the cube of any odd number is even. No, this is false. अगर हम कोई odd number ले उसका क्यूब निकाले, सपोज 3 is odd, इसका क्यूब निकाले कितना आ जाएगा 27. So this is not the even number. So for the second one, a perfect cube does not end with 0. So second one is true, it will never end with 0. Third part of this, if the square of a number ends with 5, then its a cube ends with 25. No, this is false because it will end with 5 only. Fourth part, there is no perfect cube which ends with 8. This is false because 2 का अगर हम क्यूब करें, so 2 का अगर हम क्यूब करते हैं, so this is ending with 8. 5, the cube of any 2-digit number may be a 3-digit number. False. Sixth part, the cube of a 2-digit number may have 7 or more digits. No, it will have nearly 3 or 4 digits. Seventh part, the cube of a single digit number may be a single digit number. True. Like 2 का क्यूब किया कितना आ रहा है 8, सिंगल डिजिट. 1 का क्यूब किया कितना आ रहा है 1. So these are the single digits. So now coming to the question number 3. You are told that 1331 is a perfect cube. Can you guess without factorization what is its a cube? Similarly, guess the cube for 4913 and this and this. So its a cube root will be cube root of 1331 is 11. So similarly for the cube roots of this, cube root of 4913 is 17 and cube root of 12167 is 23, and similarly the cube root of 32768 is 32. So with this we have finished our chapter cubes and the cube roots. Thank you. Okay students, I hope अभी तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा है आपको समझ में आया होगा. इनकेस अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है तो आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. आप हमारे एपिसोड्स को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिए ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे अच्छे सोल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं. ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.